Alright guys, hope y'all are doing well. I wanted to go over a quick lesson, just a brief intro lesson for you guys. So here we go. So, I have no idea what y'all guys really know. So feedback would be great. You know, if this is too easy, do I need to go more in detail or do I need to go simpler? You let me know. So here we go. We're going over the slope-intercept form of linear functions. A linear function is a function. Say if this is your graph, it is a straight line. It is constant. So yeah. So a slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. The m represents the slope. That is something really important to memorize if you don't already know it. The x is just the variable. You should already know what that is. The b represents the y-intercept. So, the y-intercept, in case you didn't know, quick review, this is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. Y-axis, x-axis. So, the b represents where the line, the graph, crosses on the y-axis. So we'll just say this crosses right here, and we're just going to call that 1. So for this one, the b would be a 1. And also, you guys should also know about slope. So let's just say your slope is 3. So now you have y equals 3x plus, and we said it was at the 1. 3x plus 1. So, in order to represent that on a graph, you would start out at the y-intercept. We'll just say this is the origin right here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the intercept is at 1, so you would start right here at 1. And then slope, rise over run. Again, y'all should know this, but again, I'm doing this as a quick review and also hopefully get into more stuff that you don't already know. So you start at 1 because it's the y-intercept. That's very important. You should get familiar with this vocabulary if you are not already familiar with it. So the y-intercept, and then you go up 3 over 1. And why up 3 over 1? Because the slope is 3. So you go up 3, 1, 2, 3. But in order to make it linear, it cannot be a straight line. Well, I say a straight line. Up and down vertical. So, in order, it has to be up 3, 1, 2, 3, over 1. And you're probably thinking, if you don't know this, you're probably thinking, why over 1? Because 3 over 1 is written like this. And again, my face might be covering it. If so, here. 3 over 1 is written like this. So what's 3 divided by 1? Well, it's 3. And again, the reason for this is because, let's just say this is your graph again. A straight line is not a function. So this is not even a function. So if we only went up 3, that would make the next point right here, and it would not be a function. So again, but what you need to know for this video is this form, and that m equals slope, x is the variable, and b is the y-intercept. Oops, that's a bad line. And that b equals the y-intercept. And again, also, give me feedback if you understand it. If not, because we're going to go over it for, let's see, Thursday if you're an A kid, and Friday if you're a B kid. So, feedback is great. And again, I don't want to go over something if it's way too easy for you or if I'm way too hard. I don't think this would probably be too hard, but anyway, I'm just rambling now. Alright, so make sure you watch this and be ready to ask questions and stuff for whenever your day is. Alright, have a good day.